In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import products in Wix. To get started, open your Wix dashboard and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, go to Store Products and then click Products. This is the area where you can manage the items in your online store, including adding new listings in bulk through a file import. Once you are on the Products page, move to the top right corner and click the Import icon. This will open the Import tool for your store catalog. Wix uses this tool to bring in product information from a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet-style file format commonly used for bulk uploads. Before this point, it is important that your product file is already prepared and formatted correctly, so the import process goes smoothly. Next, click Upload CSV and choose your formatted product file from your computer. After the file uploads, Wix will begin reading the data so it can compare the columns in your spreadsheet with the product fields available in your store. This is an important part of the process because each column in your file needs to match the correct field in Wix, such as product name, price, description, or inventory-related details, depending on how your file is set up. When the file is ready, you will be asked to match your file column headers to the corresponding Wix product fields. Take your time here and review each mapping carefully. This helps make sure your product information is imported into the right places and reduces the chance of errors in your catalog. If a column is matched incorrectly, the product details may not appear the way you expect once the import is complete. After you confirm that everything is lined up properly, click Continue. From there, click Import to add the products to your store catalog. Wix will then process the file and create the product entries based on the information you uploaded. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. Once the import is finished, your products should appear in the catalog where you can review them and make any final adjustments if needed. That is the full process for importing products in Wix. As long as your CSV file is formatted properly and your field matching is accurate, the setup is usually quick and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.